Alaikum ji. Welcome back to another episode of Kya Kahega Kazi. My guest today was Changiz Basir. Changiz is a carpenter, he's an artist, he's a musician, he's a fine artist. We get to speaking about the music scene in Pakistan, about artistry and how to productivize your art. But predominantly, we spoke about manliness and masculinity and the toxic ideals that we adhere to, about unpacking masculinity, about relearning what it is to be a man, to be a provider, to be a male role model, to be a warrior, to be all the different dimensions of a proper, true man, and to unlearn the toxic ideals that we've been taught. Enjoy. 3, 2, 1. Changiz Basir. How you doing, man?
Very well.
Yeah?
Thank you for having me,
Dude,
man.
thank you for coming by. We were just talking about how the DHA has been rounding up and shooting dogs.
The least of what they're doing.
The
I
least of what,
suppose.
yeah. I don't know, dude. It's so intuitive to someone like me or someone like yourself कि ये मुनासिब बात नहीं है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, right? I just don't understand how different we are from, because these are our people as well, right? These are our people. So, मतलब एक बात
Yeah,
है, हाँ?
I understand.
I don't understand why how there could be such a disparity, right? Maybe this is my privilege speaking. Could be that,
Sure.
right? Sure, I'm cognizant of this. लेकिन you know, like, okay, आप ये कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. आपका नुक्ता नज़र क्या है? वो एक चलती हुई चीज़ है, उसमें जान है. अल्लाह मियाँ ने जान दी है उस चीज़ को. And you're just gonna shoot it. क्यों? You know?
Power? Sense of powers, like,
Yeah.
मैं बेहतर हूँ इस कुत्ते से.
Yeah, we're just gonna get.
Maybe मैं और लोगों से बेहतर नहीं हो सकता तो मैं इस कुत्ते को मारूंगा because that's where I have control क्योंकि मेरे पास बंदूक है.
Yeah, we're gonna go morbid. Like that.
I mean,
This is
that's,
to begin
that's
with?
what we're starting with.
This is
But
it.
it's current and it's a really messed up thing that has been happening. पहले
Yeah.
CBC वाले मारे थे कुत्तों को. अब DHA वाले target practice कर रहे हैं. And it's
Is it because
messed up,
so
man.
I have no clue कि governing bodies क्या हैं या क्या नहीं है. Would it be too expensive to just round them up and just house them somewhere?
I think a few organizations do that. The Aisha Chandrigar Foundation has been doing that for many years. RPK has a van that they go around and they like neuter dogs. And it seems to, like, they collar them as well. So this
Oh,
dog
brilliant.
that,
Yeah.
my friend's dog that got shot yesterday or day before was a collared dog, you know. And
The lady.
yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, there needs to be like some sort of humility and like a drive for just being like, yo, just be a good person.
Yeah, dude, just try.
That kind of drive. It's not even an educational drive. It's like, yo, can you stop being a dick to animals? Like,
Yeah.
बेज़बान जानवर के साथ आप जुल्म कैसे कर सकते?
Because again, मेरा मसला यही है ना कि ACF, I think Aisha Chandigarh Foundation is ACF, right? ACF, for damn sure, I've seen how much work they do, and I think उनके दिल में इतनी जगह है कि if they had more means, they could do more work. So instead of just wasting all these bullets and going around shooting dogs, just give them the money कि भाई एक और आप अपना इदारा और बड़ा कर लो और इन कुत्तों को भी ले लो. ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है.
There are people who are doing that. I think RPK had an agreement with the CBC, for instance. Like, they had a thing where they're like, हम ये कर रहे हैं. और उसके बावजूद उनकी डिपार्टमेंट में कोई जाके, you know, कुत्तों को poison वगैरह कर रहा था. And you're like, dude, we're already talking to your, like, head of your
just give us a few days
organization.
or whatever, you know.
Yeah. So, but I think it's like a bloodlust thing.
You
It's
think so?
like when you don't have control over your life or you don't feel good about yourself, you go to dark places and, you know, शराब नहीं पीते लोग इधर, you know.
Sure.
America में, Europe में, a lot of these countries, शराब legal है ना, so at the end of your working week, you can just go blow some steam and get wasted.
Sure.
You know, that's an outlet,
Or-
whatever.
or
You're numbing
smoke up
yourself,
or
it's a
whatever, yeah,
neurotoxin.
yeah.
Or, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
There are ways. And it's not always like that. You know, some people go for a run every day.
Just work out, sure.
Yeah, you know this.
Yeah.
You've found, like, peace in working out. And
Bro, I think any day I don't work out,
flipping tires, bro. There's like
Yeah.
what 350 kg tire upstairs. Like
सही वो तो है लेकिन वो मेरा लैंडमार्क है जब भी कोई बोलता है घर कौन सा है भाई वो टायर
टायर
बड़ा
वाला।
हाँ लेकिन it's I think whenever I don't ना I'm just a bad person like I would literally like a moral imperative I'm just not a good person if I don't work out तो वो तो energy वगैरह तो regulate करना बहुत जरूरी होता है
And there's many ways of finding a release. Like आपकी body में maybe like you have a tough job, maybe you have problems at home and tension builds up like
Sure.
stress or
Sure.
energy restriction. मतलब आपका flow नहीं हो रहा होता.
sure
So you like find a way to have that flow, some sort of release. तो जो भी आपके दिल में बस रहा है या दिमाग में बस रहा है.
yeah
I think exercise is a good one because it's mental as well as physical.
sure
Don't know about spirit that
No,
people can
तो
deal with
वो
themselves.
वो भी
but-
ठीक है लेकिन and also especially आप ऐसे देखो ना कि you also have to keep in mind the fact that we're constantly interacting with the digital medias and they're
Oh.
meant to deteriorate your mind
Yeah.
you know मतलब हमारा सारा काम उस पे ही चलता है
वो gamified भी है कि कितने likes आएंगे,
वही
कितने वो
exactly,
आएंगे, tick
exactly.
tick 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 tick.
That's it, right? And you're always overstimulated, and you're always there's a cognitive deficit, right? There's always this cognitive deficit.
ये जरा
and you-
समझाएं मुझे थोड़ा.
नहीं, so you know you have because we're finite beings, we have finite resources. Cognitive resources are finite.
ठीक है.
So and you know that's why Renaissance men are all or women are always looked up to or always revered because they have this ability to just enhance their cognitive ability so they can do multiple things.
Right.
Maya is an excellent example, right? You yourself or the guy before जो पिछले podcast में आया था नहीं पिछले podcast में हाँ Zen Pirzada,
Right.
right? Or all the अब मैं सब guests की तारीफ करूँगा लेकिन they're just all brilliant people.
You had Zen P on
Yeah,
one?
yeah,
Like from
Zen-
Tuck Tuck?
Yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, and think about
I
this.
love Zen P, dude. I look up to him so
He's
much.
phenomenal. He really is, right? And वही वाली बात है कि you know मैं इतना कुछ नहीं करता हूँ नहीं जी ऐसा नहीं आप बहुत कुछ करते हैं, right?
But he has one thing, which is being humble.
Of course. That's
Which is a
beautiful thing.
superpower, man.
Absolutely
Like
must,
for
yes.
somebody who is actively involved in so many things and trying to better his skills as a videographer, as a musician,
Yeah.
as a musician in multiple bands.
Yes,
Like
yes.
being humble is a superpower in that zone.
Absolutely is, right? And वही वाली बात है मैंने सिर्फ इतना मैंने गलती की मैंने बोला भाई आप prolific है बोला मैं मान ही नहीं रहा मैं बोला भाई so for the rest of the
He
podcast
is prolific, yo.
Yeah.
I will second that. Maybe he never will.
Yeah.
And I hope that one day he can see the stuff that he's doing is actually like opening up avenues for hundreds of musicians,
said
at least
that
in
to him. He's
Pakistan.
like,
Videographers as well,
yeah.
not just musicians.
I said that he's like नहीं यार मैं तो सिर्फ अपना काम कर रहा हूँ मैंने वो अच्छा चलो ठीक है मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना आप नहीं बोलो ना
आप नहीं बोलो, हम
आप
बोल
नहीं
लेते हैं आप।
right but people and oh okay god now I have so cognitive resources right
ठीक है.
now obviously someone like Zen P is an excellent example then you look up to him why because he can do multiple things so he's expanded his cognitive ability like or quotient cognitive quotient उसके पास ज़्यादा है उनके पास he just has more
Yeah.
right versus someone like myself who only operates in certain planes of whatever right creativity I'm not by the way belittling myself I'm just saying
Yeah.
एक मिसाल दे रहा हूँ मैं right
Yeah.
so but these are finite resources किसी के पास भी infinite नहीं होती है
हाँ, आपकी energy limited होती है ना,
Yes.
तो अगर if you're visualizing it like this water bottle,
yeah
this is how much energy you have.
sure
In a day, maybe in a month, or
Yeah.
maybe for life.
Yeah.
Where you put each of these like different volumes of your energy is
Yeah.
what will flourish.
that's
And
it
sometimes you put your energy in things that are just draining you.
That's what
तो
it is.
मतलब आप जितनी भी डालो वो खींचते रहते हैं.
and
right?
some things are just drains right so social media unless you work on social media right like say you're a content creator maybe you're a videographer photographer you do a podcast you do music whatever usme bhi there are ways there's conventions on how to do it but if you're just going to spend your entire day guess what dude you look into the abyss looks back right that's what it
Stares
is.
back with like red eyes.
Red
He's
eyes,
like, I'm
yeah.
coming for you, boy.
red eyes and a like button right like that's what it is तो और उसमें जो है उनकी गलती नहीं है right you are the product because it's a free service you are the product
You
so
are
they
the
have to
product.
keep you here
Yeah.
आपको थोड़ा एहतियात करना पड़ेगा. But coming back to the dog situation and just a lack of a deficit of humanity, मेरा ये ख्याल है it's a cognitive deficit, right? So we just give so much of ourselves to everything. Like recently, I've I've realized that I get, because I haven't been working out lately, I get upset at inanimate objects. Dude, at inanimate objects, are you like?
It's time for punching bag then, I
Yeah,
guess.
dude, exactly. Are you kidding me? Inanimate objects like a trackpad. I'll get angry at a trackpad for a delay.
Oh, no.
I'll get angry at my wo, Apple TV remote. And I'm just, oh, you band kyun ho gaya?
I mean, better inanimate objects than
Animate
dogs,
objects,
right?
sure,
like,
of course.
that's what I'm saying. Like,
Of course, yeah.
So, अच्छा Pakistan में हमदर्दी का क्या scene है? हमदर्दी, did it just like sign out one day? Like they were like, yo, you know what? I don't care about other people. I don't care about this. Do you think it stems from like just fear, like a very base grade fear space के हमारे पास security नहीं है, हमारे पास power नहीं है,
Yeah, sure.
government ने खींच ली या जमींदारों ने खींच ली या
Sure, yeah.
अमीरों ने खींच ली? Like what is it that makes people be like, we don't have any power, we don't have any respect for other people? I mean, I'm generalizing, but I do see it. We live in Karachi, man.
We do. Yeah.
And Karachi mein, that's actually not like 100% there, because you see a lot of hamdardi also. Matlab, there will be people who show kindness to other people. And if you like go sit on the corner of a street, you see that happening.
Sure.
You see, अच्छा आप signal पे हो, एक boy खड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, puts his thumb out, एक गाड़ी गई, दूसरी गाड़ी गई, तीसरी गाड़ी गई, एक bike वाला boy आता है, he stops and he's like, आजा, कहाँ जाना है? बैठ जाते हैं. I've done that. I've sat on like a random
Sure.
stranger's bike to get to the corner.
Yeah, but that's dangerous though.
Is it?
I think so, man.
It's dangerous if you believe that the person offering you a ride is going to take advantage of you, and I think that's also like a fear-based response. It's dangerous.
So sure. So you've said a couple of things. Ek to ye ki yes, we're disenfranchised, right?
Sure.
So we don't.
That was one word for like 2 minutes of
Yeah,
time.
yeah, no. So we've lost control. We lack agency for our own actions, right?
Bilkul.
Like what do I want to do? Well, maybe I don't want to go to my shitty job 9 to 5 or whatever, and you know, just suffer and so on and so forth, whatever. Maybe I don't want to pay all these taxes and so, but this is just what you do to live, right? Uske baad, there is a deficit. वही जो आपने बोला, there's a deficit of kindness generally.
Generally, I think it is in deficit.
Yeah, and that's very strange that we say that about Karachi, because Karachi is supposed to be the philanthropic capital of the world.
गरीबों की माँ.
जी, right? उसके बाद जो है आप ऐसी बात करते हो, but I think part of it has to do with the fact that, like I said, we've lost agency. Another part has to do with the fact that so Maslow की hierarchy होती है, right? उसके base पे होता है क्या? Security.
Shelter, food,
जी,
safety.
बिल्कुल. जब वो चीज़ें ही met नहीं है, how are we going to get up to all the way up to self-actualization?
Self-actualization का तो
Okay,
कोई
you know,
scene नहीं.
I need to be cognizant that, you know, maybe Changiz is having a bad day. Fuck that, dude. I haven't eaten food, you know, like you know, I give my feet are burning. Why? Because I don't have shoes. Like now that's I'm painting an extreme picture, but we all exist on somewhere on that spectrum.
And you know, like, Qazi, man, I've experienced this part of being, like, maybe it's coming from privilege, but growing up, I was always like, मैं self-actualize कैसे करूँगा? How do I get to the top of the pyramid?
Sure.
Right? Like, I skipped के मैं खाना कैसे खाऊंगा, मेरी safety क्या है, मैं सोऊंगा कैसे, because I had the privilege of those things being taken care of.
Sure.
Because I lived in my parents' house.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
I went to university and my parents paid for it.
Sure, yeah, same.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
सही है. तो मतलब my emotional maturity came on much later in life, where because I was just looking for that self-actualization का path क्या है,
Sahi.
and like I skipped a lot of those base grade
Sure,
things,
sure.
and when I got to a point where I was like, hold up, like जब आपको वो एक flip होता है ना, and you're like, check your privilege,
Yeah.
कि मतलब I'm just chasing for like this next hit of, you know, validation,
Sure,
or
sure.
वाह वाह में देखो मैंने क्या किया है, वो मैंने, you know, art बनाया है, या मैंने कुर्सी बनाई है, या मैंने गाना बनाया है,
Yeah, yeah.
क्योंकि उसका feedback इतना fit होता है, like
Yeah.
the positive like validation that you get, the feedback is so good
Yeah.
that it's very easy to forget that there are layers underneath that self-actualization that you need to also maybe think about.
Absolutely.
When I started thinking about them, my life changed
Sure.
because I realized I was being super ungrateful. for what I was already given. So pehle, in this cycle of realization, there was a lot of guilt, which guilt is not good. But it started from there. कि
Sure.
वो guilt आई पहले,
Yeah.
and जब उसको फिर address किया, and then you're like, okay, wait. So I set myself up in a position where if I didn't live in my parents' house and if I didn't have like this joint family system, how would I take care of myself? What if I was on my own again?
Yeah.
Us pe phir then you start like checking the boxes and you're
Sure.
like, no. I think I can do this and that.
Yeah.
And that was like a life-changing thing for me. And that was very recent, by the way.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
but because okay, so again, I have yet again failed to introduce you. I just start talking. यार वो full talk show वाली vibe मुझे समझ नहीं आती. I'm like हाँ तो बताएं आप क्या करते? But okay, so you're definitely a musician
I'm a musician
Yeah.
and I'm a designer.
and a designer and an artisan
Yes,
Right,
I
so-
have been.
because you actually physically work with art.
That's how I started doing my furniture.
Yeah.
So वही अम्मा अब्बा के घर में मतलब गैराज में किसी अम्मी की दोस्त का कोई सोफा आया था उसको काटा पीटी करके
हाँ.
you know refresh करके upcycle करके I was like yo
Yeah.
I'm a carpenter.
Sure.
So that was like the title way of leading that design activity, and alhamdulillah since then it's been like 5 or 6 years I've matured quite a bit
Yeah.
in my design process. It's been fun.
Alhamdulillah. And then also bands. Let's speak about the bands that you're in, or are you in just one band?
I'm just in one band.
All
It's
right.
called Towers.
Towers. All right. Metal.
It's not metal. It's like
Why?
if Bilal and Ashir, who are my bandmates, hear me,
Yeah.
which they might, they'll get really upset with it. But I like to describe it as soul hop.
Soul hop.
Yeah.
I like it though. Why would they
It's
get upset?
catchy, right?
Yeah, sure.
They don't understand it. I don't understand it, but I think that perfectly describes the kind of music
Soul
that
hop.
we're making.
Soul
It's
hop.
catchy, right?
Yeah, dude. I like it.
Yeah, so like there's a lot of hip hop influence, but Bilal has this like crooner type, soulful voice, and that
Sure.
sets the stage for the music that we've been working on.
Sure.
And yeah, soul hop is what I like to describe.
So,
it
so
as.
a soul hop band, a soul hop band. You're a member of a soul hop band. My impression is you play bass,
I play bass
Yeah.
and I mess with drums and guitars.
drum,
well, yeah.
so just everything, and anything else before we can continue. क्योंकि लोग पूछते हैं ad hominem attack होता है, नहीं पूछना चाहिए लोगों को. Inshallah, whoever's listening to this podcast will eventually come over to my side where you shouldn't, तुम कौन होते हो ये बात करने वाले?
Yeah.
Bhai, just think about the merits of the argument. Na? Let's not think about कौन है कौन
Yeah,
नहीं है.
yeah,
You know
sure,
what I mean?
sure.
क्यों इतना vibrate हो रहा है?
अच्छा मैं ये भी add करूँगा that I am an artist.
Sure, of course.
I am an artist.
You sketch and
First
stuff?
and foremost, before all of these things, I'm an artist. I think the rest of the things are just a conduit to get वही जो मैं कह रहा था ना पहले like tension हो जाती है आपका
Yeah.
release mechanism
yeah.
होता है. I think all of these things are release mechanisms.
Yeah.
And I think that's how creatives deal with their life.
Sure, man.
Check me in the comments if I'm wrong.
just writing shit. Just, oh God, I feel so horrible right now.
Yeah.
Nay. But okay, so when did you start realizing that you had artistic tendencies?
Artistic tendencies, I think I always had those.
Mm-hmm.
Like I loved to draw. My logic side was also pretty strong.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, I'd like mess with like circuits and wiring, or oh मैंने circuit बना लिया, light on होती है, off होती है, या
Mm-hmm.
कोई sound sensor लगा हुआ है. Just making like weird things. So there's a creativity in creating
course.
from like whatever you have available to you.
Scrap, basically.
छोटी सी मोटर
Yeah.
गाड़ी में से आरसी कार से निकाल के आप उसके ऊपर पंखा लगा लो, कैप पे लगा लो, so you have a fan on your like face.
Yeah, that
So
just shows you
like
how
tiny
old we
things
are.
like that, but there is creativity in there. And then I took art when I was in school. I learned to draw.
O level,
Like yeah,
A levels art,
yeah.
dude. A levels art is
Yeah.
serious, bud.
It was all right. And basically, I would just draw myself. I'd just do figure drawing. I'd get a mirror. I'd lock myself in one of the rooms that was next to the studio, and I'd just do figure drawings of myself. तो ऐसा
Naked?
मतलब not completely,
Listen,
but
man.
but like art class में आप अपनी shirt नहीं उतार सकते to look at your body. So I was like, okay, excuse me. And there was like 18 girls in my class.
I would
so
imagine, dude. That I have
it
experience.
was me and like this one other dude, and he would barely show up.
Yeah.
So
So it's just you.
he was a really cool guy,
Of
but
course.
but it was like I was like, yo, what is happening here? You know, मजा आता था.
Yeah.
That's how I learned to draw. Then I do like freehand drawing, freestyle, whatever, just working on, maybe like concepts. And then when I went to college, I did industrial design. So I'm an industrial product designer by degree or whatever.
Sure.
And that has to do with the ideation, the creation of a product. So you do the ideation, you do the prototyping, how it's going to be engineered, how it's going to be mass manufactured, and eventually the end of that spectrum is how it's going to be marketed to the consumer.
Sure. Okay.
So that's what I studied.
Okay.
And when I came back to Pakistan, what? No. There was something. Tell me.
So when you get a flamboyant degree of that sort and you come back to Pakistan, एक ही चीज मिलती है. 30,000 रुपए से शुरू कर दे फिर देख.
कोई सीन ही नहीं है. 30,000 ज़्यादा कह रहे हो.
Sorry.
Half of that maybe.
15?
15 for my first job. Yeah. I didn't mind because I was like full of energy and I was like, oh, I want to learn.
Yeah.
Walked into the store, got a job there. Within 3 months, I was like, this is not the space for me.
No.
I found some architects. They go by Coalesce Design.
Yeah.
If you're a designer and you don't know them, I don't know where you are, but
All right.
they're really good, and they were like, I think maybe 6-7 years older than I was, so there was like that mentorship. They're like, अच्छा तुम पाकिस्तान आ गए हो अब.
Yeah. So you will
वैसे नहीं होता जैसे तुमने imagine किया था, अब
Yeah.
ऐसे करना है.
Yeah.
So I managed their like workshop for a year, and we did like prototyping and things. They were really kind. They were really good people. Learned a lot from them.
Sure.
And I had like very low emotional intelligence at that time, like maturity, emotional
Okay,
maturity.
okay.
So, and I had zero discipline in my life. I was like, meh, aise,
Artist हूँ भाई.
So I was there for a year before I was like, I have too much in me. I have to do my own thing. Maybe that wasn't the move, but maybe then we wouldn't be having this conversation.
Sure.
So I have like mad respect for them for whatever I learned at the time. But then I was like, nahi, मैं
हाँ जी.
अकेले करूँगा,
हाँ.
खुद करूँगा.
सही.
Which is where like, वो at that age you have that ego-driven sort of need to prove yourself.
You're
or
saying 24, 25?
Probably 22.
Of course, dude. Come on now.
Yeah.
Your brain doesn't stop forming till you're 25, dude. So you
Sure.
Yeah, you were literally underdeveloped.
I was literally
You're just
underdeveloped.
like अभी तक scene हुआ ही नहीं है कुछ.
Yeah, but the experiences that I got, like in college, we had massive workshops where we'd make furniture or we'd make like prototypes, right? So we had wood shop, we had a metal workshop, we had a ceramic workshop, So there was that like हाथ गंदे हो गए थे उधर. बचपन में तो हुए थे, छोटी मोटी wiring, shiring करके. College में भी was, that was a brilliant experience for
Sahi.
me. And when I came back, I didn't, like I walked into, like apart from like this office, I walked into a few others as
Sure.
well. Where I was like consulting or, wearing a shirt and a tie.
Sure.
It was not my scene. Like, I just didn't exist in that realm. I was like, there was so much structure, and I had problem with that structure because I didn't have that kind of structure growing up. So I wasn't used to it. Even growing up, I was like doing whatever I wanted to. And my parents, I'm very grateful for them to be like, acha, kar raha hai, karne do, like,
Yeah. But yeah, dekho, I think that comes back to that that cognitive load that we were speaking about, na? Because alhamdulillah, we wali baat hai, we are cognizant of the privilege that we have कि we are raised in an environment जहाँ पे हमें बोला जाता है यार, you're already on the third or fourth ladder of the pyramid or the stage of the pyramid, you're fine.
You're fine. You don't have to worry about
No. So go actualize yourself, right?
Yeah.
फिर उसमें जो होता है ना, this stuff happens. Then you start metacognition. You start thinking about thinking, right? You start thinking about what you're thinking, right?
Yeah.
You're like, okay, so I'm meant to dress up in a suit and tie, and I'm meant to feel accomplished for dressing up in a suit and tie? Like, wait, what? You know what I mean? You start thinking about these things and you
Yeah.
start questioning. And the thing is कि फिर वालदैन जो होते हैं हमारे जिनने इतनी मेहनत से हमें पाला है इस काम के लिए metacognition के लिए, they get upset at us for having metacognition. But you enabled us. This is your success.
वो फिर childhood trauma भी
Yeah.
उसमें ऐड जाता है कि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत कर रहे थे कि आपने मेरे साथ time spend नहीं किया.
Sure.
It's like, no, but I love you.
Yeah,
You know,
of
whatever.
course. Right? But उसके ऊपर ये हो जाता है कि the thing is, this is, me personally, at least I would argue, कि this is what the future is. You know, we're no longer going to be bound by the conventions of dressing up, for instance. you look good if you dress up, right?
अबे सब लोग घर पे काम कर रहे हैं
Of course,
यार.
bro. Of course. Like, have you seen?
पिछले साल से घर पे बैठ के पजामास में लैपटॉप पे बैठे हैं, ऊपर कभी कभार शर्ट पहन लेते हैं.
You know?
So my mom's a school teacher,
Alright, cool.
right? So
Mashallah.
in her class, she teaches economics. There is one girl whose webcam is on, who's wearing a school uniform.
Allah.
And I am so impressed with her
Bless
like
her heart,
work
dude.
ethic
Yeah,
and her motivation to be like, no, I have to maintain some semblance of learning or order here.
Oh, yeah.
And every time like I pass, like, you know, 10-11 baje मैं pass करता हूँ, वो webcam पे लगी हुई होती है. Hers and the students' webcam is the only one that's on. All you have is black screens.
Let's hope she becomes like a leader or something.
She is a leader. The fact that she's showing up in that capacity as a 16-year-old or a 17-year-old,
Yeah.
she is already a leader, I
Sure.
think.
Sure. लेकिन हाँ मेरा नुक्ता नज़र ये है कि ये जो है ना, I think that is the manifestation of this digital age where we have so access to so much information, right? पहले ये होता था, you were thrown into ये जो mentor, आपने mentors की बात की, you were thrown into a mentorship program, and then that's just what you were. It was not a verb, it was a noun. You were a carpenter or a
Sure.
photographer or what have you. Now you can do multiple things just because of the proliferation of the digital medias, of information, of knowledge, or technology, right? You just have these things at your disposal. एक ज़माने में buying a professional camera like was stupid.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you know, if you're not a photographer, what the fuck are you doing, right? But now it's cheaper to just get cameras of that level,
Yeah.
right? So I just think we exist in a space, and मजे की बात ये है कि हम भी youth नहीं है अब, आप और मैं.
नहीं.
We're past it, dude.
Yeah,
you
we're
know?
past it.
Like, I'm like, what the fuck? I barely grew up because वही वाली बात है ना, you go through the cycle. मतलब at least हमारे वालिदैन जो थे, they would go through this cycle of a life cycle, right? They'd be like, यार देखो, I was young, found a mentor, I perfected my craft, now I am this thing.
I put all of myself in that
In
one
this
thing.
Exactly.
But you've written a book, right?
Yeah, I have. So I've written a book. I wrote it's a creative non-fiction book called Stories from Karachi, not available in Pakistan.
Creative non-fiction. So
Creative non-fiction.
it's about your life. It's
It is
like
my life,
sort
yeah.
of biographical
Yeah,
accounts.
yeah.
and-
So in this particular instance, मेरी किताब में सिर्फ ये है कि कुछ नाम जो हैं वो मैंने change कर दिए for like I didn't want to embarrass them. I didn't have the time to call each one of them individually and be like, are you okay with it?
Yeah.
But they know who they are.
Yeah,
Like मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं, like they know they're in the book, right? They're just like, yeah, that's me, right? I'm
मेरा
like,
नाम अकबर नहीं है जो तुमने लिखा है, मगर I know what you're talking about,
yeah,
bro.
dude. They're like, that happened, right? And I'm like, all right, well then just tell me how accurate it is. He's like, huh? Accurate, or
Accurate,
she
no.
or whoever. They're like, very accurate, very good. But yeah, so I wrote a book because so my degree is in writing and philosophy.
Right.
So you know how you were like कि आपकी art classes में ज़्यादातर ख़वातीन होती थी. Apparently, any kind of artistry or writing are all ख़वातीन के लिए ना. तो मेरी class में भी there used to be maybe one other guy or two other guys and बाकी सब ख़वातीन होती थी.
Right.
And मैं काफी
अजीब लगता था?
यार अजीब इस तरीके से लगता था कि वो जो थे ना.
मतलब was it emasculating in any way कि मैं सिर्फ एक वाहिद मर्द हूँ इधर?
No, I don't think it was that because so I grew up in these toxic masculine ideals ना.
Right.
मर्द वो होता है जो साइज में बड़ा हो, strong हो, you know, रोते नहीं है, दर्द नहीं होता है मर्द को, and all these things,
Yeah.
right? So I'd be the only one just fucking there like, oh yeah, man.
Clenching for like
Clenching
2-hour class.
Yeah, dude, clenching my fucking everything just because I can't feel this right now. I absolutely must not. But yeah, that really led to a lot of personal growth. क्योंकि जो बाकी जो 2-3 मर्द होते थे on average in classes में, they were just enjoying life, dude. Like they were so
Yeah.
comfortable in their own skin. मैं बोलता था यार आप लोग क्या सीन कर रहे हो?
Why aren't you my kind of man?
Yeah,
Like,
you know, like मर्द तो एक ही किस्म
but
का होता है ना.
मर्द किस किस्म का होता है?
Bro, नहीं, मर्द बस होता है और औरत भी बस होती है. कोई
मर्द
किस्म नहीं
होता है,
होती.
right?
हाँ,
But I feel like ये जो आप toxic masculinity की जो बात कर रहे हो
Yeah.
ना, इसमें मर्दपना मुझे कम लगता है.
बहुत कम है, bro.
मुझे बहुत कम
Because
लगता है
you you don't take existential responsibility, right?
yeah, and you don't show up as yourself as who you
No,
are
no,
because
no.
you're fitting into a ideal version that maybe somebody fed you when you were a kid or you
Sure.
maybe grew up in that environment.
Sure. Yeah, but well, I'd asked them, why are you having so much fun? They're like, well, maybe you should unclench your butt cheeks, dude. I'm like, oh.
Then you'll also have fun.
Yeah, dude. And then I became a lot more open to speaking about, for instance, just how wrong I've been in my life, right? यहाँ पे आपको मर्द गलत नहीं हो सकता. Men
Right.
can't make mistakes. कहाँ
Yeah.
लिखा हुआ है?
Dude.
They make all the mistakes. They're shooting dogs right now. You think women are doing that shit?
Man, as a mard, I've made a lot of mistakes as
Yeah.
well, where I assumed that I had to show up a certain way,
Yeah, sure.
and I presented myself in that way,
Of
and I showed
course,
up to that
of course. You have
situation
to
that
be
way.
hard and scary and strong.
Yeah, wo bhi nahi. Like literally just falling into these tropes of what a Pakistani man should be.
Uh-huh.
And dude, it was not good for anyone around me.
No, of course not.
You know, and it wasn't good for me as
Absolutely
well.
not,
And बहुत देर के बाद, again, like a lot of realizations. COVID में अकेला बंदा लेटा हुआ है, you know, like so.
Sure.
A lot of realizations came through, and then once that consciousness sort of hits, you're just like, no, if I do need to show up a certain way, matlab, show up with love, show up with responsibility, show up to be there for someone without taking advantage of them.
Sure.
All of these things clicked, and I was like, मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था, मैं कहा यार तुमने मतलब इतने साल इसके
किया?
बगैर कैसे गुजारे?
Exactly. Because I honestly think if there is the art of manliness, and I think that is just being brave enough to be vulnerable and show up with your emotions and stuff and be there for people. क्योंकि यार ये सब चीज़ें ना होते डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म्स हैं. अब मैं खामखाई किसी एक साइकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी की लैंग्वेज नहीं इस्तेमाल करना चाह रहा हूँ.
करें?
नहीं, but वो फिर लोग बोलेंगे दूसरी वाली की नहीं की, and people just get upset. They're like, oh, you don't follow our school of thought. Freud क्यों, Jung क्यों नहीं? I'm just saying generally, these are all defenses, right? These are all defenses कि यार.
Can we just pause for a
Of course,
minute?
yeah.
Do you have like a lot of like philosophy students in your audience for your podcast and stuff?
I don't think so.
Who are these people who are being like, yo, Freud is an asshole?
Some of my friends, dude.
Acha, chalo. Continue.
Yeah. So philosophy. So there's some, and I would hope there would be more eventually, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So yeah, but it's just defense mechanisms, right? You in the end, it's insecurity and weakness, and that's all
It's
right.
insecurity and
Yeah,
weakness for
yeah.
sure.
So वही वाली बात है ना, उसको फिर as a man you can't be insecure, you can't be afraid, you cannot allow yourself to be emasculated. But why, dude? Emasculation is a thing, right? It
Yeah.
happens to people. So for instance, when I grew up, I was extremely skinny.
Acha.
A skinny dude, and I used to love to draw. So my first medium was charcoal sketching. Full Titanic वाला boy बन गया था मैं.
Nice.
Yeah, ink and stuff, right? और फिर ज़ाहिर है प्यार भी हो गया था.
Of course.
जैसे होता है.
Yeah.
But then I was like, I'm not being all these things about insecurities about not being taken seriously, about if I'm going to be bullied or what have you. And I was bullied as a kid, which is everyone does, right? Everyone gets bullied. It's fine. It's not fine, but it happens, right? What you can't do is let that win. Let that shit take
Yeah,
over you,
yeah,
right? And that's what I did. So I was like, I hit the gym twice a day. I ballooned I was 78 kilos. A-levels ke, Nixer ke first year I was 78 kilos. Second year I was 92 kilos.
Holy.
A lot of that was muscle, right? And I
Yeah,
was eating a chicken a day, just fucking man shit, dude. Can't cry, can't laugh.
तो
just
फिर जब
man.
आप full man बन गए थे,
Yeah.
were you like, now I'm the ultimate man?
No, then I wasn't happy.
That's when you realize that it's not
this.
those things.
It's definitely not this.
Yeah.
It wasn't any of the things I was told. So I was like, I was told कि अगर मर्द को औरतों की attention मिलती है, फिर वो खुश होता है.
Yeah.
So alhamdulillah I had that, but वो अल्लाह का करम है, लेकिन
Yeah.
nothing.
I chased that for a bit.
Of course,
where
man.
I was like, oh, validation from not just from women, but from everyone.
Yeah.
कि आप, you find peace in company. So
Sure.
ये रात में आपको मतलब नींद नहीं आ रही, आप जाके boys के साथ चाय पे बैठ लो,
Sure.
5 घंटे ताश खेलो. ठीक है?
Exactly. Like, what are you
फिर
doing?
Do it again the
Yeah.
next day. Do it again the next day.
Just a
What are you
fucking
running
cycle.
from? Like,
Exactly, dude. A lot of it. Like for instance, I tell this story ad nauseum. So I went to Canada में university थी. They had a brilliant therapist on hand. वहाँ पे इन चीज़ों की बड़ी ख्याल होता है. आप बड़े इंसान होते हैं ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ, वो आप-
तो and the lady was already paid for.
sure.
In my fee structure वो होता है, add होता है कि भाई ये आपने जो you have paid for her services, just book an appointment because she might be busy.
Was that the first time that you had interacted with like a mental health
I
professional?
never went, dude.
Oh, you didn't?
I never went. I was a man.
Yeah,
I never went.
yeah.
I never went. I was just like, fucking man shit, bench press. Let's go.
Fuck that. This is the only bomb I'm
Of
dropping
course,
on your
of course, dude.
podcast. Fuck that.
Of course, dude. Of course.
And fuck dog killers.
And fuck dog killers. Yeah, now that you, yeah. क्योंकि मेरा ये सीन था कि so I was kind of rushing through my degree. तो last वाले साल में तो आपका normal units होते हैं 4.
Sure.
4 units per semester. आप 5 भी ले सकते हो. Now this is a lot. 5. मैं 6 ले रहा था, right? And I was just like, what would happen to me was I would watch sensitive content and I just start crying.
Oh no.
Right? And I'm just like, the fuck, man shit.
Why is my man brain
Yeah,
crying?
yeah,
What are these
just-
tears?
Just that's why I just started growing my beard because what was andar chala jaye and then just it's fine. Nothing.
That's
right?
why I grew my beard. Like, not this beard. I had a beard till here.
Do you what?
Because when I started being a carpenter, right?
Yeah.
I'd go to the Haji camp jata tha. कोई seriously नहीं लेता था. They're like, ये बच्चा कौन आ गया? अच्छा आप स्कूल के student हो.
No, you have to be a man.
Dude,
then.
that went on until like very recently. Like I shaved. I went back to Shersha to buy something, and they were like, they gave me like outsider rates. I was like, ये क्या scene है? I was like, क्या हो गया भाई? मैंने इतने का लिया last time.
हाँ.
कहते हैं नहीं हम तो बेचते नहीं. I was like, मैंने उसको तस्वीर दिखाई.
Yeah, this
याद
guy.
है मैं आया था आपके पास कैप पहनी थी दाढ़ी. He's like, अच्छा आप हैं आपने दाढ़ी. Dude, cops have stopped me and they're like, with a big beard, and
Yeah.
they're like, आपकी तो शक्ल पे इतना नूर है आप
Noor,
जाओ.
आप जाओ.
I was like, don't you want to check the drugs that I have in the back or like the asla I have in my glove compartment? Like, what are you?
Yeah.
You know, that's like a societal thing कि अगर दाढ़ी है तो आप तो ultra मर्द हो
Yeah.
and religious मर्द भी हो.
Yeah, दोनों तरफ वही ना.
Superpowers.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
man, holy shit.
Exactly.
So क्या करें Ghazi? How do we like develop, is there a role that you and I as, I wouldn't call us influencers because we don't have the kind of influence that politicians or, you know, media personalities
Yeah.
have. What can you and I do to create more awareness about what it means to be a man? Or is that something that's not हमारे बस में?
नहीं बस में तो आपके बिल्कुल है आपके मेरे we start by having conversations, which is what we're doing right now, and you live, right? You lead by example. You just you impress upon people that it's all right, because यार पता है क्या, again insecurity अगर होती है या डर अगर fear अगर होता है तो वो किस लिए होता है? वो इसलिए होता है ज़्यादातर कि मुझे reject नहीं होना है, and that comes
Rejection fucking hurts, dude.
Dude, but it's physiological, right? It's physiological. Rejection, the fear of rejection is physiological क्योंकि your mammalian brain जो
Yeah,
आपके
for lizard brain.
हाँ वो जो वाला है उसमें ये है कि अगर मैं reject हुआ तो I'll be ostracized. If I'm ostracized, I'll be kicked out of the tribe. The tribe, I need the tribe to survive. So I'm dead.
Because otherwise, you are the other.
Yeah.
And the other has no security blanket, safety blanket.
No. Your community, your tribe's
So
all
it's
gone.
harder to come to that realization के मतलब for a lot of people because of that ostracization. क्योंकि जब आप चाय पे बैठे हुए होते हैं 10 bros के साथ,
Yeah.
जो आपके सारे best friends हैं,
Yeah.
और कोई मतलब गलत बात करता है, और मुझे पता है कि मैंने वो बातें की हैं.
Of course.
ठीक है, I'm going to own up to it. I'll be the first person to own up to it. आपने की हैं?
Bro, so I used to be get made fun of. मैं नहीं करता था.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so वही वाली, you know, like commodifying women or whatever. यार ये लड़की इतनी tight है, ये है, वो है.
Yeah,
उस पे my response would be, and people still make fun of me.
हाँ.
To this day, उसमें मैं बोलता था, हाँ यार माशाल्लाह बहुत खूबसूरत है.
तो मैं भी ये करता था, and the thing is, my natural state was to not,
Of course.
but to be part of that.
यार आप फिर मर्द नहीं हो ना आप.
हाँ.
लड़की हो क्या?
Bro,
ये चीज़ें
मेरा
होती थी
इतना
ना.
मजाक उड़ा है बचपन से.
Yeah.
And I've just been like, dude, it is what it is.
It is what it is, dude. It is what it is. Yeah.
It is what it is. And बहुत बाद में जाके मुझे पता चला कि नहीं यार, if somebody says something that is wrong, it's
Yeah.
not because you are different. It's because what they're saying is different and they've just normalized it in
Yeah,
conversation.
देखो, I think the taboos around everything make it such कि कुछ चीजें are always going to be understood in a negative connotation.
हाँ.
It's very natural to like
It's very
girls,
natural, right?
It's very natural to like girls. Like, you know how you're like, what can we do to change the conversation? The first thing you need to tell all men, boys especially at a young age, is it's all right, dude. You're skinny, it's all right. You're fat, it's all
Yeah.
right. You want to work out, it's all right. You like girls, that's all right. You don't like girls, all right, dude.
Yeah.
It's fucking all right. Like, you still need to be. We need you here, dude. You know, we need you here.
As you are, as you
are.
came into this
Yeah,
world,
sure.
with whatever your religious beliefs are, but
Yeah.
you are exist here in the now.
Yeah.
How do you show up in the now?
In the now, yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly, right. And it's all right. Like, you know, you had to be vulgar about liking girls. You
हाँ,
couldn't
मतलब
be.
कि कोई गंदी चीज
हाँ,
है.
yeah, you like you're tight है. क्यों ऐसी बात बोलने की जरूरत है? यू लाइक हर ना, इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल. एक ऐसी बात कर रहा है यार, अब तू लड़की बन गया है. मैं लड़की क्यों बना? अच्छा, मुझे सिर्फ ये समझा दो, मैं लड़की क्यों बनाऊं? Because you're talking about all this touchy feely shit. So you don't feel? I do, but I repress it. Why do you repress it? Well, because otherwise I'm going to be a ladki like you. You know what I mean? It's a cycle. It's a vicious. It's stupid and it's vicious, and we just need to bring people out of it. And I'm not. Listen, man. There's an absolute need for manly men,
Yeah.
right? But they just aren't what we think they are.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like our army officers, right? The people who protect us at the borders. यहाँ पे इतने सारे पुलिस वाले हैं. They're man. They're men. They're man. It's man shit.
They're warriors.
Right? Yeah, exactly, right?
My father was in the army.
Acha, mashallah,
Yeah,
mashallah.
but go on.
Right? That's man shit. Right? Just going out there and protecting yours and you know, trying to do whatever, right?
Yeah.
How could you not need that? When will you ever not need that? That's
Sure.
not what I'm saying. But all this toxic masculinity, like you have to shout down women and all that shit,
Yeah.
that stuff, like, it stems from, I think, insecurities and from a lack of love, a deficit of love in their own life.
Yeah.
So again, I suppose the only way to fix this is to, you know, just give them love, dude. Like, and give them more than love, but just give them holding care. ठीक है, you know, maybe I disagree with a lot of what you are, but it's all right. You know, it's just all right.
So I brought up my dad because he was in the army and he was a very like manly man,
Yeah,
right?
man shit.
But so I got to know him, like he passed away a few years ago.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry, man.
He was unwell for a bit, but great guy.
Of course,
Right?
Of course. Of course.
He did have that manly manness,
Okay.
right? But at the same time, he had like this heart of gold. Like at his funeral, I was meeting people who knew him before I was born, before he was married. So when he was a kid, before he even knew my mother. Like bachpan ki stories. And in all of those stories, he always showed up like above and beyond what he had to, you know.
Wow.
And he had that kindness and love to give. And I felt that when I was growing up. शुरू में there was some disciplinary,
Of
like,
course.
you know, जो भाई के साथ भी अबे ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे
Yeah.
करना है. But later on with me, he was just like, I think he just used to get happy seeing me like do whatever the hell टेढ़ी हरकतें I was doing.
Yeah.
But one thing that I learned from him was that if you lead with love,
Yeah.
that's the best thing you can do. If you show up for someone without any expectation of a return कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये अच्छाई की है तो तुम मेरे लिए ये करो, that's not the way to show up.
No.
So the manliness, apart from his like army, like running 7 days in the mountains of Kashmir, like apart from all of that stuff,
Yeah.
that was the manliness that I learned from him, where he was like, yo, show up for someone who needs you if you have the ability. They never have to pay it back.
No.
And maybe it's a universal system. वो खैर इतनी बातें नहीं करते थे.
नहीं,
मेरी
नहीं.
assumptions ये हैं कि
Yeah.
it could be a universal system where you don't have to expect goodness from someone, but if you share your goodness with somebody in whatever way, अगर आपके बस में होगा, वो कहीं ना कहीं से घूम के आ जाएगा. And this isn't like a manifestation thing. कि
No, no.
Manifestation is a buzzword now. Okay, oh, I manifested like this brand new SL500 Mercedes in my garage.
Because I wanted it. Wanted it hard.
Like, I don't think that's what manifestation, that's how manifestation works. I think manifestation works that if you imagine that something could be good for you, if you are in touch with yourself, and if you say, कि यार, you know, this is the kind of person that I am, and this is something that might be good for me, maybe it would be nice if I had that in my life. And I'm not talking about objects. I'm talking about
Energy.
energy, like goodness.
Yeah, sure.
Somehow or the other, if you show up for other people or for maybe somebody who needs you, that energy transference कर करके किसी time पे आपको आके bless कर देगी.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah.
Whether this has zero religious connotation to it. This is
Yeah.
just how I view the world.
Yeah, sure. Dude. No, absolutely. That's the apparatus that you use to describe it or define it, and obviously there's allowances in the religion for it as well. Allowances, explanations in religions for it as well.
Allowances भी नहीं, parallels हैं यार.
Exactly, parallels. Yeah, that's the best word to use. And but having said that, I think what I want to go back to is exactly what you were saying about your dad. Like, he had a heart of gold. Well, the heart of a warrior is filled with love. Where do you think they get? You think they get all that shit from hate? Like the ability
No.
to fight and stuff?
No.
No, buddy. That's not how it works, right? So, वही वाली बात है, if you want to be a man, and you need to understand then that the first thing that you need to master, and very intelligent people have said this, right? And brilliant warriors have said this as well, is unconditional love.
Unconditional
Right?
love. That's yeah.
It's a
100%
it's a
agree.
powerful thing because आप ऐसे सोचो ना, so the logical device of a conditional is an if then statement,
ठीक
right?
है.
If X then Y,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
If I am a man, then I have to be such. An unconditional statement is a categorical imperative. For any instance,
Right.
for every instance,
Sure.
I am this thing. So no matter who you are, you have dignity simply because you're a human being and I have to defend it. That's some man shit.
That's
you know
some
what I
man
mean?
shit, yeah.
That's some man
And
shit.
in a society like Pakistan, where men have held on to their power through religion, and by power, I'm not being like, ke, oh, mardon ne sab kuch cheez rakhi hai, but by virtue of our society and everything, men do have power,
Of course.
right?
Yes.
And man, it's so difficult to watch when you see somebody who is in that state where all their options have been blocked off by men. It breaks my heart because there are no avenues for escape, and a lot of women live this. मर्दों को कभी अंदाज़ा हो नहीं सकता, आप जितना भी एम्पैथाइज कर लो, हमें अंदाज़ा कभी नहीं होगा क्योंकि हमारी प्रिविलेज ही अलग है.
Bro, listen to me. Right now, we get out, we go drive to whatever, Springs or whatever. Do you think we think twice about doing that? Women do.
Yeah.
You know, it's so the thing is, you want to be cognizant of privilege. It's extremely simple. There is no moral imperative on you and me dressing like whatever and going and getting another Red Bull. क्यों? क्योंकि Red Bull health के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है.
Red Bull is probably the best drink in the world.
Nahin, but anyways,
Go on, man.
that's a
We're at
joke.
Springs and you're a woman.
Yeah.
And it's impossible to be there because you have to think 5 times about every
Everything,
move.
dude. Like, okay, so how you're getting there, right? That's number one, right? Okay, well, I might have a driver and a guard if I'm extremely privileged. Chalo, theek hai, aap aise chali gayi. Phir,
Yeah, maybe you have to go maybe you have to drive yourself.
फिर आप आवारा लड़की हैं.
हमारे लड़की के अलावा मतलब dude, I dropped a friend off. We went for dinner somewhere. I went with a friend of mine. She said goodbye to me. She was driving off and she just touched a bumper of a car. It wasn't like a brand new car or anything. There was like dings and dents on it. You
Yeah,
know, it was
okay,
like a run car.
Yeah,
And, you know, I was like, it's easy. She kept going.
yeah.
2 guys got off, चाय पी रहे थे. They sat in their car, vroom vroom करके उसके पीछे गए हैं, ठीक है? And I just happened to be there. They parked in front of her car and they were like, क्या कर रही हैं आप? आपको ये नहीं है, कैसे करेंगे? And they knew that this woman was alone in her car. They can see, right? And they were just railing on her. And I parked my car like right next to them. I was like, क्या कर रहे हो, bro?
Yeah.
मतलब literally you're taking advantage of someone. Bumper तो देखो अपना कितना घिसा पिटा है. तुम इसको बुली कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
मेरी शक्ल देख के वो स्माइल भी आ गई. अच्छा आपके
You had the
साथ
beard.
लड़का है.
Oh,
ब्रो
Nurani.
कुछ लोगों की फट जाती है. They're like, oh ये कौन वैशी माउंटेन में. बाल भी लंबे होते थे. बने हुए भी नहीं होते थे. I looked crazy.
Sure.
I looked like a mountain man, right? Like because I didn't care about my image or whatever.
But you have to, dude, right? Because
Yeah.
otherwise, they would have taken advantage of you as well.
Bro वो फौरन चुप हो जाए. They're like मगर डैमेज हुआ. I was like ये पीछे मेरे दोस्त की दुकान है, वर्कशॉप है, इधर आप जाओ. वो कहना चंगेज ने भेजा था, बफ कर दिया.
Oh, Changiz Naam, because that's a big name,
Yeah,
right?
I threw that in there, man. But and like you know, my friend was like, you could tell she was visibly shaken. She's like, oh, I didn't
Traumatized,
realize
dude,
that it was just a rub. Right now in this situation, अब अकेली औरत गाड़ी चला रही है, ठीक है, ये वाला हमने कर लिया. फिर एक औरत है जो रिक्शा में जा रही है, ठीक है. Now she's exposed on like 3 sides, and man, it's just a terrible place for women to live.
Yeah.
Pakistanis hate women. There's no other reason for it.
That's just it, dude. That's
And our older generations of women have been indoctrinated in a certain way where they're like, nahi. ऐसे live करना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. Which,
Yes.
I mean, society dictates that as
Yes,
well.
of course,
And
of
I
course, yeah.
understand that society has safeguards for women as well. Matlab religious connotation se ya
Yeah,
cultural
but,
connotation
yeah, but
se.
even those safeguards, I would argue, have been abused.
They've been abused.
They've
That's
been
the
abused by
problem.
people, right? Because
Yeah.
आपने वही बोला, आपने बात बोली ना कि ये ख़वातीन है, इनको सिखाया ये जाता है कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी है इस तरीके से रहना. They cannot understand how beautiful, how powerful they are, because they're simply relegated to this, whatever this is,
Yeah.
right? And yeah, man, I don't know. Like I've had discussions at length on the podcast, off the podcast, with several people, men, women, about what to do. And मेरा वहीं पे आके जाके कांटा अटकता है कि you cannot expect this muashra to change because we have a consequentialist morality, right?
Yeah.
हमारा सही या
Ha,
गलत,
you touched on this with Maya's podcast.
yeah,
as
exactly,
well.
right? हमारा सही या गलत होता है based on the reaction. तो सारी ख़वातीन जो हैं उस पे a few of my friends also got upset with me. They're like कि ये भी औरत खुद ही करे. मैंने बोला यार ये वाला काम तो औरत को करना ही पड़ेगा इंशाल्लाह. They need to develop some kind of martial ability. There need to be immediate and severe consequences for ever misbehaving with a woman.
Bro, मेरी एक दोस्त है, उसके
जी.
पास टेजर है. ठीक है, चाय वाली जगह पे फड्डा, उसने बॉयज आए चेयर्स फेंक रहे हैं, उसने एक टेजर मारा बॉय को, दूसरा टेजर दिया. She took care of that shit, you know?
That's some
I
man
have
shit.
mad respect for it. And like after the third guy got tasered or whatever, people were like, oh shit. Boys, young boys 18 to 20 years old, probably some stupid man shit, bro.
Some man shit. Yeah.
ताड़े होंगे, उनको निकाल दिया, they came back with
Yeah.
a vengeance. सही हुआ, अच्छा taser हुआ. There should be like a taser net वाला system where that, you know, ऐसे जो हजूम आ जाते हैं ना, उनको आप taser net फेंको, सब taser हो साथ, मछलियों की तरह. Holy shit.
No, we were speaking about how we're taught to interact with women. So when I
Now
came-
we're being like really honest here,
Yeah, yeah.
right? We're in the honesty phase of this podcast.
I've been yeah. इसके बाद इससे पहले सब झूठ नहीं, अल्लाह माफ करे. So I moved from Hyderabad to Karachi when I was 16, right? Already moving from an okay sized city to a city as big as Karachi, big city vibes, you're afraid of everything. I was terrified, right? Uske baad, I was thrown into the city school, the Raksha campus.
DK.
Yeah, all boys, right? I'm just, God, that's great, dude. You know, and you know, those are formative years, and they were for me as well. I only learned to interact with women one way, right?
As objects.
As objects that are meant to be flirted with.
Conquest.
Conquest, right? And it's a fucked up word, right? But that's what it is.
Yeah.
And
I'm guilty of the same.
of course, yeah, dude. I think most young boys are कि यार ये मतलब, you know, it's like a status symbol or what have you. You get the girl, this and that, and it's in our physiology as well. By the way, this is in our physiology as well. कि आपको जो है, you have to court a suitable mate to for the propagation of your progeny. I understand that, but that doesn't need to happen anymore. और हम फिर civilized भी तो हो गए थे ना. हाँ, आसमानी किताबें भी तो नाजिल हुई थी ना, नबी भी तो नाजिल हुए थे ना सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. तो फिर उसके बाद अब तो इंसान बन जाओ ना. वो
उसके अलावा कितनी मतलब ethical, philosophy, moral चीजें, तो parallels भी बहुत हैं.
Yeah, bro.
So if you even don't have religion in your life, there are ways to understand that women are not they are people, man.
Yeah.
Like
yeah, and think about this. मैं ऐसे because in my life, that's a long time ago. Right? In my life, that's like 10 years ago, I think. 10, 11 years ago now. 12 years ago.
sure.
लेकिन think about 2020 अगर हम 2021 में बैठे हैं, that's like 2009. That's nothing, dude. That's like yesterday.
Right.
In the grand scheme of or the history of things. And you know, I suppose just how do we turn that switch off? Because you don't ever want to tell them that it's unnatural, because बहुत सारे religious figures हो गए या authority figures हो गए, teachers हो गए, जो भी हो गए, वो discipline ऐसे करते हैं कि जूते मारते हैं for you know, wanting to talk to a girl or liking a girl, what have you. It's completely natural to do it, dude. You know, it's the most natural thing
Yeah.
to want to, you know, because you're meant to. It's natural, right? It's just fucking. How many times have I used that word? But at the same time, it's not okay to be one track about this stuff, right? So, yeah, throughout my A levels, just fucking stupid, just stupidity, and I think being open about it is very very important.
Yeah, and if you realize, and it's not just women. So now, if you look at a human being as a human being, and there's something that I was present for with the podcast with Maya, and
yeah.
you guys spoke about this as well, where it's not just about man woman. What if somebody doesn't identify as a man or a woman and they identify as whatever else,
Yeah.
as other, as
Yeah.
they?
Yeah.
You still have to respect them as human
No
beings,
fucking shit,
right?
dude. Like, I mean, come
तो
on.
मतलब ये तो मतलब हम लोग
ये novel concept थोड़ी है यार.
अगर औरतों को नहीं करते तो फिर वो
वो तो-
पूरे आप स्पेक्ट्रम को आप इग्नोर
Yeah.
कर रहे हो ना कि
Yeah.
भाई इंडिविजुअल पावर होती है एंड आप इंडिविजुअल्स को रिस्पेक्ट करते हो ऑन देयर ओन थिंग यो like I told you, like when I was growing up a teenager, I used to hit on all the girls, all the guys also, because it would make them uncomfortable, and I was like, yeah, they can't do this. I went to Beacon House, dude. So from
City Beacon, yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
you know वो ही था कि मतलब वो बहुत boys होते थे, and I'd
Yeah.
be like, yo,
Yo.
it's like, you know, just touch your butt. Oh, that makes you uncomfortable? Let's go. ठीक है? So that's how I used to deal with my bullies, where I'd make them so uncomfortable that they wouldn't want anything to do with me.
Sure, that is one way of going about it.
And so I was generally friendly with everyone. But I thought like the way to, there was still some of that toxicity that creeps up on you with being in that environment.
Of course, dude.
इतने किस्म के लोग थे यार, बीकन में मतलब हजूम था, समझ रहे हो? Like there was all kinds of people, and
Sure.
it's actually like the university of human interaction before I actually went to college was being at Beacon House, where you could talk to everyone from different different socioeconomic backgrounds, from different sects of religion,
Sure.
different religions. And there were so many unique individual people. मुझे कभी कभार याद आते हैं जो मेरे बीकन में लोग थे आगे पीछे. And I'm like, यार वो बंदा सही था, हाँ, वो बंदी अच्छी थी. She was nice to me. She always used to pass me the volleyball when we were playing dodge the ball or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, so they were people and they have the right to be respected. And if everyone just like remembers that every time they interact with a person, whether it's a business meeting, whether it's a client, whether it's the people who live at your house, including your parents.
Of course.
I mean, we're talking about how parents have this thing where they, you know, push you in a certain direction because that's where you're from. Uski bhi ek izzat hoti hai because they're coming from a certain way.
Of course,
And if you
dude.
can relate to their perspective, even if you disagree with that perspective, you can come to some sort of conclusion. Which is why I love being a musician. Because music is one of those things which sort of, like art on its own is political, right? The moment you say something, you're standing behind something. There's a song that we're writing right now, Bilal and Asher and I, and I can't like tell you too much about
Okay,
it because it's still in like its infancy.
Right.
But the premise is that the guy is talking about, I like all the girls. ठीक है?
Okay.
You know, doesn't matter what their skin tone is, doesn't matter this, doesn't matter that. So
Sure.
it is outwardly very like, yo, we're talking about I like all the women, but it's also inclusive in a way where they're like, I won't discriminate my love depending on somebody's social status or the color of their skin. Do you
Sure.
get? So
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
being like, yo, I'm going to hit on everything.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the way we sort of back ourselves on that song is that this is an inclusive song. So say young boys are listening to this song, you know, we are a pop band.
Of course.
A soul hop
Soul
pop band.
Soul hop. Pop.
So
Sure.
but these things are important and music becomes a nice way of doing it because everybody listens to music, dude.
Sure, of course, yeah.
कोई भी बंदा हो उसने कोक स्टूडियो का तो कोई गाना सुना होगा या
Yeah.
उसने रेडियो पे कुछ गाना सुना होगा.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can reach a lot of people with music and also art. Art का खैर मसला ये है कि in Pakistan it's kind of like limited to the elite sort of
The bourgeoisie.
the bourgeoisie. Yeah.
Nahin, yeah, I think art.
Music I think is
especially-
a lot more democratic.
music especially is a very it's a brilliant delivery mechanism,
Yeah.
right? It's a brilliant medium in that you will be able to deliver your message most promptly because you kind of ease it in. Some would argue that's why it's insidious because subconscious directly subconscious ko attack karta hai. Sure, whatever.
Yeah.
But you're just because you're jiving to this stuff, right? You're just it's music, you're vibing and stuff. That's when you kind of when the defenses are down, that's when you kind of inculcate or at least present these ideas. कि यार आप सही है ना मतलब ठीक है I like all the women ठीक है मैं हूँ जो भी है but also all the women are beautiful in their own way कोई मसला नहीं है इसमें ना मतलब गोरी and this is the other thing right no one is taking away from their individuality right ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे ये नहीं हो रहा है कि नहीं all women are the same. They're not all the
They're
same.
not the same.
Right? They all shapes, all sizes, all colors, all creeds, all religions, all beliefs, all of that stuff is what makes them beautiful because they're individuals. Right? At the same time, और उसमें ज़ाहिर है अब मैं कोई वो hyper individualism में नहीं जा रहा हूँ कि my opinion should matter as much as a PhD's opinion. I'm not saying anything stupid like that.
Yeah, of course.
Stupid is subjective. That's kind of irrational,
Yeah.
that opinion, right? Because someone has done the requisite amount of work and I haven't. Behral, where'd you go to school?
I went to Coventry University in England.
Is this a big deal? I live under a rock.
So it wasn't like a very like fancy university. It used to be a polytechnic until like 82 or something. So
Okay.
polytechnics are like skill-based learnings.
Okay.
And Coventry used to be the center of automotive manufacturing in England.
Goddamn.
Even during World War, a lot of the manufacturing used to happen in Coventry, like
just the
their
history of
tanks and their aircrafts and stuff. वो एक जगह थी एक Hatfield में. So there was these centers. So there was a lot of, and then in the 80s when the British car industry sort of tanked and all the car companies went bankrupt, it just became sort of like a ghost town.
But that's powerful history. Lots of energy there, right?
When by the time it got back into university, foreign students lao bharo, because foreign students are rich and they pay 3 times the amount.
Yeah, exactly.
So a lot of it came back, and some of the car companies also came back. Like I think Tata is headquartered at Warwick University. Tata owns Jaguar and Land Rover, by the way.
Yeah,
If-
people don't know that.
Yeah.
वो तो गोरों की company है.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so there was also a transport museum in Coventry, which was crazy. They had like all the vehicles. They had the land speed record wali gadi, and like the whole history of like their local industry and everything. But the university itself was unlike any other university that I'd heard of up until then, and it was very like hands-on, using your hands. I think it was a brilliant experience for me.
I think that's very, very interesting. And I ask you this question because there's a Marxist concept of alienation of labor, right? And one of the critiques of capitalism that Marx presented was कि क्या होता है कि capitalism में you're employed to do your work, but it's no longer your work because you're doing it for someone else. Right?
Right.
And he would posit the fundamental nature of your life's work to just existing in good faith or just being whelmed, being good in every capacity, right?
Right.
You need the work, right? As creatives, the work could be editing a photograph, taking a photograph,
Yeah.
making a video,
Sure.
playing the guitar, but really there also needs to be some kind of physical work. You need to work on something to give it shape. I think that is extremely important for mental sanctity. That's where we started the guftagu with flipping tires and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think that because आप ऐसे देखो ना एक तरीके से आप अपने privilege को मद्देनजर रखते हुए चलो कि you need to create fake work. Right? Because this again is in our physiology. You need to create fake work. एक ज़माने में, if you didn't work this much or like 5 times this much, you wouldn't eat.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So there is just that work to reward ratio where if you work this much, then you'll get this reward. Right? Whatever that reward is, the endorphins, all that stuff. Now you have to create that fake work. A tire, I don't need to go flip a tire. The tire just put
Is
me in a
that where like
tractor.
gym culture comes from, where you utilize your body in fake work?
Sure. Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
Because your physical needs of applying your body into a task are being fulfilled.
I would argue so, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Because there's progressive overload and there's goal setting, and obviously there's you want to look better, you want to look a certain way. वो सब चीज़ें बिल्कुल ठीक है, but
Aesthetics and stuff.
sure,
Also, there's a social element to it now. I see this a lot in gym culture over
CrossFit
here.
and stuff.
Like CrossFit,
Yeah.
like, motivating each other to get to those goals. Everyone's goals are sort of the same, but their limitation is sort of different.
Sure, yeah.
Like I have some friends who are like CrossFitters, and they really like thrive in that environment.
Yeah.
तो social उनकी needs भी fulfill हो रही हैं, उनकी physical needs भी fulfill हो
Sure,
रही हैं.
yeah.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा पहले बचपन में extroverted बहुत होता था, फिर मैं close हो गया. In that time is when I started doing the carpentry. And this thing that you're talking about, physical work, is where that came in. आप आड़ी चला रहे हो, you're mentally focusing on it, because ज़्यादा कट हो जाए तो मतलब आपका काम खराब हो जाए, कम कट हो जाए तो नहीं, और आपका physical एक action भी चल रहा है.
Yeah.
So the meeting of the two is zen.
Yes.
It's zen, and at the end of it, there's something a friend of mine told me the other day where, and it's just stuck with me. This happened like 2 weeks ago, and he said God is a creator because He
Yes.
created us,
Yes.
and when you create, you are basically trying to,
Yeah.
get into the same zone.
Yeah.
So once your physical and your mental being is in a process, आप लकड़ी काट रहे हो या आप कुछ welding कर रहे हो, जो भी, and at the end of the day you have a finished product.
Yes.
तो आपने creation भी कर ली, तो आपका वो एक कोई spiritual need भी एक fulfill हो गई
Sure.
of being closer to your creator.
Sure, yes. And the thing is, again, देखो ना, Quran Sharif में Allah Mian says that He did not create us in play, right? There is a purpose, and if you move away from the purpose, and most existential philosophers, most moral philosophers, psychologists will say this in their own ways. I'll just quote Viktor Frankl or Friedrich Nietzsche. ये वाली line I'll just quote here.
Sure.
Where they say कि
I'll take your word for
So,
it.
it is that's what they say. They're like कि nihilism और existential जो vacuum होता है ना, वो create ही तब होता है when you have meaninglessness, when you don't have a purpose, right? You need to anchor yourself in some kind of purpose. And वही वाली बात है, and we were speaking about this off camera, in the break as well, कि motivation is fleeting.
हाँ.
No one wakes up every day fucking motivated. Let's go. Oh man, shit. Right? You can't. That's just not something that happens. It's absolutely fleeting. It's very temporary, finite. Whatever words you want to use for it. What isn't finite, what can operate as something that holds you and keeps you going, is just the work itself. So anchoring yourself in a process, like, so for instance, the CrossFit guys, what's beautiful about that community is that, again, they hold each other accountable, right?
Yeah.
So even on a day when you don't feel like going to go work out, well, tough luck, buddy. Or everyone's there and they're waiting for you, right?
Yeah.
And then when you feel good, but someone else not showing up, you call them like, tough luck, buddy. You have to show up. man."
Yeah.
You know, same thing with your workshop. Same thing with, say, a photographer. At the end of the day, or a videographer, content creator, koi bhi ho. At the end of the day, the outcome is something that you need to detach yourself from, right? Because outcome, chalo, bahut zaruri hai. Or the intrinsic to an artistic pursuit is also the fact that you have to put your art out there, right? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैं बना के
तो
रख
फिर
लूँ.
आपकी process की एक finishing deadline या कुछ कह
Sure,
लो, मतलब,
sure.
so you started your process, you put all your agency in it
Yeah.
and your experiences and everything, and you finish the process, and the last part of that process is to put it out there.
Yes.
Whatever best ability you have, सही है, आपको record deal नहीं मिल रही है in terms of music, चलो आप खुद डाल दो, YouTube पे डाल दो.
Yeah.
Furniture बना रहे हैं, चलो आपने client को deliver कर
Yeah,
दिया या whatever.
Yeah.
But the actual enjoyment is in the process.
Yeah.
And your process only gets better
Huh.
the more you do it. And it's not just limited to so one of the things, like when we started this conversation, we're like, we touched upon the fact that, एक mentor होता था, वो आपको सिखाता था, आप अपनी पूरी life उसमें
Yeah.
लगा के उसको perfect कर लेते
Yeah.
थे. मेरा disadvantage ये है कि I like to do everything.
Yes.
Right? I like to put myself in many different places, and energy भी फिर उसके हिसाब से we're metering it and कि इतनी इसमें डालनी है,
Yeah.
इतनी इसमें डालनी है. कुछ relationships के लिए भी जो base grade relationships हैं हमारी, जो कहीं
जी,
नहीं
बिल्कुल.
जाती, उसके अंदर भी जाती
जी,
है.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है.
You need to spend time with family and stuff.
Yeah. But like what I feel in that sense is that sometimes maybe I think like maybe if I just did one thing and I did the most I could with it, it would be better. But the counter to that is if you are doing all of these things within the frameworks of one process or like one kind of process, कि आपने पहले ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर ये करना है और फिर इसका नतीजा होगा, then it doesn't matter what that activity is.
No.
It doesn't matter whether you're making a sculpture.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't matter whether you're doing an office जिसके अंदर 300 लोग बैठाने हैं. ठीक है? It doesn't matter if you're putting out a song which is like a soul hop dance song.
soul
You
hop,
know what?
yeah.
Have you heard any Towers music?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
I'll send you a link.
I've
So we
just-
have one song officially out right now. It's
Yeah.
called Filhal.
Okay.
Shameless plug.
Hey.
And
hop.
we
Filhal.
put it out. It's been on radio. People, there's buzz around it. You know,
Alhamdulillah, yeah, yeah.
Alhamdulillah. I'm super grateful.
Yeah.
Our job was to just put it out.
That's what I'm saying.
Once we put it out,
Yeah.
whatever anyone wanted to perceive it a certain way, we didn't even make it ke bhai log sunenge. We're like, yo, this is a dancey track.
Yeah.
It's got those soul hop vibes. I
Yeah.
said that.
Yeah.
Nobody else in the jam room
no
said
one
that.
said that. Just you.
They actually told me to shut up.
Please just do your job.
I love you, boys. But khair, and it was done. And whatever we learned from there, we are now applying to the second song that we
Of
made.
course.
And
of course.
you know, we were slightly better in the studio. We were working with this guy called Jamal Rahman.
He's a big deal.
Yeah, he's a big deal.
All
dude.
right,
Jamal
cool.
Rahman is
Yeah,
a bit
Jamal.
of a big deal. He used to do True Brew Records in Lahore.
Oh wow. All right.
Yeah,
all
yeah,
right,
yeah.
all right.
So he is a big deal. He's like the uncle of the indie scene.
All right, mashallah. Yeah, I just don't know
so
the names, man. Yeah.
He's also been one of those facilitators. So you know,
That's
people
awesome.
would come in, these young bands, to his space.
Yeah.
So we were working with him. Uska process to dekh ke, whew, when he'd be plugged in and he's just doing his thing, the way he'd work, it was beautiful to watch.
And he-
Hamara process usse behtar hua.
But he needs to do that. That's what, process आखिर में इस level पे हो जाता है. And the other thing that you mentioned थोड़ी देर पहले,
Yeah.
I would disagree slightly in
बताएं.
that because you're like कि एक process है, it doesn't matter what you're doing. I would say there are multiple processes because there are multiple anchors. So I would say
Oh,
कि जो
right.
लोग
I see.
जो लोग एक mentor के under काम करते थे and they would just give their whole life to it, there would be a greater chance of an existential vacuum occurring if that thing was taken away from them. Right?
Yeah.
But you or Zain Pirzada or True Brew Records guy, all these people, the thing is, you have multiple things going on. Now, what the goal is to understand each one of them to be the end in and of themselves.
Yeah.
Right? So playing the bass or the drums or the guitar, whatever you fancy, or just singing,
Yeah.
that is the end.
Sure.
Kazi ko अच्छी लगे नहीं लगे does not matter.
Does not matter.
Yeah, that's not your problem, right?
Yeah.
It's my problem. Or making money is a separate thing,
How?
right? वो बहुत lucky लोग होते हैं who through one process can just make their money. It's a separate thing, right? But you have to be anchored in all these things. So if you have, say, you have your carpentry or you have your art, your sketching and stuff, and you have your music, those are three ends in and of themselves.
Yeah.
Right. So I would argue that you are maybe more tethered than someone else is. Someone who's just doing one thing, hardcore, whatever, customizing cars. That's like, I think that's pretty cool. The way people, build up Jeeps and stuff.
Yeah.
That's उसमें बड़ा इंजन डाल देते हैं वो थोड़ी इतना बड़ा इंजन डाल दिया इसमें like I'm an absolute noob. I don't know what it is. मैं सिर्फ
Sure,
बोलता हूँ इसमें
sure.
V8 है नहीं है
हमारे मतलब का
नहीं
नहीं
है मतलब का नहीं है. They're like कि आपको पता है इंजन के V8 तो नहीं है ना, छोड़ो उसको. American market.
Yo, my car bros would just like cringe when you said that.
Of course, dude. But my friends who happen to do all this stuff would do the same. Like they're just like, what the fuck are you doing? I'm like, यार वो V8 होता है ना, V8 डाले फिर मजा
क्योंकि
आएगा.
वो बैज होता है ना लैंड क्रूजर के पीछे V8 का
वही,
लगा हुआ है,
वही.
इसलिए आपका वो ज़हन
And
डायरेक्टली उधर जाता
I
है.
have asked some extremely stupid questions. So एक बार there was a time when I had this City,
हाँ.
a Honda City. और मैं बॉय से पूछ रहा हूँ इसके अंदर V8 डाल सकते हैं? Just like एक मिनट, आपको पता है V8 क्या?
Hold up.
Yeah.
डालना है क्या?
I don't know. डाल भी सकते हैं.
Dude, मेरा एक ड्रीम है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I don't know if I should share it actually.
No, do you want to share it on the podcast?
You know what? I'll just like do a thing.
Okay,
जब
yeah.
बारिश हुई थी ना,
हाँ.
the actual dream is something else. But
Yeah.
जब बारिश हुई थी ना,
Yeah.
I was seeing these like guys like with their Hiluxes cruising, diesel
Yeah.
engine chal rahi hain, but
Comfortable.
those were the only vehicles that were moving around.
Capable of moving around.
Moving around.
Yeah.
And everyone else was like, yo, if you can't afford a Hilux, go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
Right?
Count.
But at some point I was like, यार मेहरान लेते हैं,
Uh-huh.
उसको बाहा बगी टाइप बड़ा आयरन मैन टाइप सस्पेंशन डालते हैं उसमें,
Yeah.
पीछे 3C टर्बो डालते हैं टोयोटा का डीजल इंजन, ठीक है, टर्बो
ये
डीजल
weird
होता
तो
है,
नहीं होता.
weird नहीं होता, मगर you'd have a off-road capable Mehran that can go in the water when the city is drowning. And I put it up on my Instagram stories. I like got some drawings from like Pinterest and stuff. And I was like, who is interested in this? Commission me. मेरा दिमाग इन चीज़ों में चलता है
Yeah.
कि
करो कुछ.
please, you want a 4x4 Mehran? Give me some money and I will build you the best 4x4 Mehran
Let's
you've
go.
ever seen. Yo.
Fuck yeah.
I'm a big Alto fan. I had a Mehran for many years.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो V8 डालना है सिटी में, क्या मतलब? V8 खरीदते हैं शेरशाह से, ठीक है, सिटी लाएं आप, बेचती थी,
बेचती.
चलो एक और खरीद लेंगे.
इतने पैसे मेरे पास.
तरीके बहुत हैं,
Bro, yeah. You're right.
ठीक है,
100%.
विलिंगनेस होनी चाहिए कि मैं
Yeah.
ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगा, अगर गाड़ी कल्टी हो जाएगी तो उसमें रोल केज होगा, whatever,
हाँ.
अल्लाह मालिक.
Allah रहम करेगा. my friend, I have a friend, his name is Usman Shah. He says, काजी आखिर में ना सिर्फ एक ही चीज होती है. वो तुम क्या उस्मान? बोलता है काजी आखिर में करने वाला बनना होता है.
Absolutely.
That's some man shit, isn't it?
That's
It's like-
some man shit.
He's like करने वाला बनूं, बाकी सब हो
बाकी
जाएगा.
सब कुछ हो जाता है.
Allah khair करे. But you know how you were like commission me and stuff with Zen as well. One of the things we spoke about at length was Patreon and patronage.
Yeah.
Right? Because
yeah.
that's a big scene in the artistic circles,
Yeah.
circles,
in
content creation
creative circles,
creative
I'd say,
circles.
because a lot of creatives who maybe are not backed by friends and family money or like funded or don't have an actual patron like
Yeah.
Michelangelo ka patron was the church, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah, exactly.
अगर उनका नहीं होता तो I think the concept is beautiful. I think the Taka boys have used Patreon to their advantage, and it's beautiful to watch.
It's a beautiful thing, man.
And they're very like open. They're like, yo, we have 30 patrons. Let's
Yeah.
bump this up.
Yeah,
you know?
bro. No. So the at the recording of this podcast, Zen Bhavali podcast is not up yet.
Oh.
Allah karega sab up ho jayega inshallah.
Sure.
But he was completely open and we spoke about this exact thing at length. Kiya dekho, people like Michelangelo, Leonardo, and all those guys. तो जैसे मेरे दोस्त हैं Leonardo,
Leo bhai.
वो village के साथ अच्छा हाँ तो but these guys, but even more recently people like Metallica, people like Eminem,
Yes.
there was patronage. What else is this, right? तो उसमें भी फिर वो वाली सारी चीज़ आती है, तुम पैसे मांग रहे हो. नहीं I understand my art to have intrinsic value, right? I cannot monetize it the way I need to कि मेरे bills pay हो जाए. So I need patronage. That's all it is. It is value. And that, I suppose, is the heart of it all, is when you want to be a creator, na, outcome, anchor yourself in the process, outcomes are detached, but above all that even, you need to understand that this thing has value in and of itself. The minute I realize that the podcasts don't have inherent value, then मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ?
फिर क्यों
That
करें?
doesn't doesn't really make sense. Where all these. Please.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. For everyone listening, Changiz just held up a Red Bull can to one of the cameras.
Go on then.
Yeah. But yeah.
But yeah, इसमें ना मैं पहले when I started working, I would make things that were not. They were more form-based than function-based.
Okay.
Like some weird items of furniture,
Okay.
some weird tere-mere lamps or stools. And then all of these things had a purpose. Like a lamp was a light, a stool was to sit on.
Sure.
And the art that I made, like the sculptural pieces that I made that had no functionality, I was driven to make those because I was like, this is the purest form of my expression. जो मैं दूसरी चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ इनमें function है, ठीक है? तो function है इनकी फिर value जो intrinsic value है वो इसलिए क्योंकि they're functional pieces of furniture. So for the longest time I believed कि जो art होता है, if it's commissioned या अगर आपको कोई आप उसको monetary value डाल रहे हो तो उसकी artistic credibility गिर जाती है. This was my belief that I
Sure,
held
sure,
for a very long time. And it took some interesting conversations with some friends, some people who guided me, where I saw that, yes, what you just said about intrinsic value from just the creation process, वो होती है. क्योंकि आप कुछ कह रहे हो.
Yes.
आप कुछ कह रहे हो. If what you're saying can connect with people, if they can vibe with people and they can relate, maybe they don't have the ability in their lives to create like that, because everyone is a creator. We are, I'll continue this analogy,
course,
we're made
yeah.
in the image of the creator,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So we are also creators.
Yes.
Everyone, even a banker, will find out creative solutions for a product for the bank. You know, मतलब कोई नया product बना लिया, कोई नया card release किया, whatever. There is creativity in that as well.
Sure.
Everyone is a creator. We are all hardwired to be like that, I think.
Yes.
Some people don't have the means or the time to self-actualize in that way.
Sure, of course, yes.
So what they do is they consume art that other people have set their lives apart to create.
Yes.
You consume that,
Yes.
and then that monetary exchange that happens is just a listen. Thank you for providing this for me, and I understand that you've taken your life apart from all of these normie stuff,
Yeah.
things that everyone's
Yeah.
doing, to have this weird, difficult life where you have to experience trauma and you have to experience real shit
Yeah.
and feel the pain or artist up.
Yeah.
You know,
and
just
keep
hota hai.
re-experience it, right?
And
Yeah.
because a lot of good art comes from pain,
Sure.
and there is no denying that.
No.
If you haven't lived your life, what are you even saying?
No, yeah, I think most things are cultivated from experiences. और अगर experiences नहीं किए ना, like people might get upset with me, but I don't think someone from absolute privilege who hasn't known a moniker of pain ever will come out of their whatever 5,000 गज का घर in phase 7 Karachi and produce banger music. I just thought it's highly improbable.
I will say that even that person who might be very isolated and maybe very privileged,
Yeah.
they might also experience things like loneliness.
That's it, right? There is pain
so
somewhere.
वो
Yeah.
pain creeping हो जाता है,
कहीं ना
you know,
कहीं होता
whether
है.
you are there or whether you're there. वो
Sure.
It's part of the human experience. If you go through your life without feeling any kind of pain,
There's
like,
something wrong with you.
or is that a life worth living? I mean, when we have too much pain, we're like, yaar, I wish pain nahi hota. जब pain nahi hota, we're like, yaar, your life काफी boring हो गई है.
नहीं, I
तो
think,
इसकी भी कोई philosophy होगी.
Yeah,
I
Schopenhauer.
connect it, man.
Artie Schopenhauer is a...
Yeah.
his name is Arthur, but I call him Artie because मेरा दोस्त है ना.
हाँ, Artie भाई.
Artie Schopenhauer said exactly this. He's like, कि, I'm paraphrasing, मुझे exact नहीं याद है, लेकिन it was
We
like...
have
कि,
absolute liberty in this room.
हाँ, yeah, sure. Let him करे. But he's like, कि, he was like, कि if you didn't have pain, na, how would you know what pleasure is?
Of
Because
course.
it's relative, na. It's like without the absence of without the presence of darkness, you wouldn't know what light is. And you know, there's argument about what came first, darkness or light, and there's all those things. Like, you know, because darkness
Yeah.
is the absence of light.
Yeah.
Light is not the absence of darkness.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
There's more like
Yeah. So light vanquishes darkness, right? But darkness was passive. Darkness is always there. There's all these first principles. Like, I don't know, dude.
Sure,
like, I
sure.
get really confused.
I just the darkness and the light, like balancing. I mean, your Jungian में होता है कि shadow.
Yeah, the shadow. Yeah,
shadow.
The Jungian shadow. Yeah.
Yeah, so I live my life with that at the back of my mind because I've been to those places.
But bro, that's what it is, right? Like maybe that's
You're like, how low or how dark can you go where there is literally the absence of light, and will you be able to handle it?
But that's
'Cause that's also you.
But that's what it is, no, bro. Like people, especially in Pakistan, mein, na, they want to exist in these narratives of exceptionality. They want to be like, yaar, dekho, yes, some people are, they have the proclivity for evil. Not me though. What do you
मैं
say?
तो नहीं हूँ
मैं
जालिम.
तो नहीं हूँ. हाँ, exactly ना. Like यार वो लोग पता नहीं किस किस्म के जानवर थे, उन्होंने कुत्तों को मार दिया. भाईजान, आपके अंदर भी वही propensity है. You have to understand. If you don't come to grips with that, we're not moving this conversation forward.
Yeah.
There's nothing else. If you don't understand that you are one bad day away from being that, or worse, right?
Just because you haven't experienced those life experiences to turn you into that yet
Yet.
doesn't mean that you don't have the potential to
Yeah,
go there.
yeah, dude. It's one fucking day, one fucking
This
hour.
is a scary thought.
Yeah, people, and you know, rightfully so, people get really uncomfortable. They're like, yaar nahi, matlab is baat ka kya matlab hua? You know, I would never do. For instance, so there's so many taboos around homosexuality,
Right.
right? And I was like, dekho, from a very religious standpoint, there's a reason why it's haram, right? It could not have been haram if it was not under your control, right? People are like, you're not born homo. All of us, and I was just explaining. मजे की बात ये, मैं ये prayer room में बैठ के ये बातें कर रहा था. तो
अच्छा,
full
वो शायद थोड़ा सा
वो MSA वाले boys,
biased.
हाँ, exactly, MSA वाले boys थे, and अगर किसी को समझ आनी चाहिए थी, उनको समझ आनी चाहिए थी कि अल्लाह ताला, who is Rahman ar-Rahim, how could he institute punishment for homosexuality if it was not under our control? Can't happen, dude, right?
Yeah.
So all of us have the proclivity or the propensity to be attracted to the same sex.
Yeah, because it's a spectrum, right?
Exactly,
That's
right?
how modern people view it.
Yeah, exactly, right? It's a spectrum, and we all have it to varying degrees. यार, and उस पे immediately ना, काजी शायद तुम्हें होगा, हमें तो नहीं है. I'm like, मेरे भाई.
Maybe you haven't looked.
Yeah, नहीं. The thing is, why are you afraid to look?
Yeah.
You know, मेरे भाई मेरी बात सुनो. मेरा मजाक उड़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, right? इसमें taboos नहीं होने चाहिए, because the thing is, you're telling me boys don't get raped in Karachi?
Yeah.
What the fuck is going on? Do you know what I mean? Like that's not, you can't ignore that shit either. Like, क्योंकि ये भी हो रहा है. And that's part of the mardangi and all those things we were talking about as well. Like, it's just high time that we started talking. That's all I'm saying, man. You know?
Yeah, I think you've done well to open up this space in whatever capacity that you could to conversations like this. That, you know, मतलब कोई सुन लेगा शायद.
Yeah.
किसी को होगा कि यार सही कोई बातें सही हैं.
Yeah.
Do you think that it's I'm going to come back to what we were talking about,
Of course.
art in
Yeah.
relation
Yeah,
to
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Artists का, do you think role society में ये हो सकता है कि वो दिखाएं कि there's another perspective? Because I feel that, like, I feel like the artist's voice is always political.
Absolutely.
Whatever they say has to do with the suffering or whatever pain that
Yeah.
Society is going through as a collective.
Yeah.
What do you think? I mean, what do you think a role of an artist is in a society like ours?
Yeah. The role
जिधर
of an,
censorship भी है, जिधर आप freely सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते, where you have to use the subtleties and the nuances to talk about something that is like
taboo.
taboo.
Yeah, देखो, the role of systematically repressed taboo sort of. The role of an artist is exactly what you've just said. It is to offer a window into the societal soul. माशरे की जो रूह है ना, वो आप you pick up a photograph, just a photograph. Forget paintings. Paintings में तो क्या नहीं होता है. Forget music. Forget videos. Videos में क्या नहीं होता है. Just pick up a photograph of 60s Karachi, 70s Karachi, 80s Karachi, 90s Karachi, 2000s Karachi, and then 2010s Karachi. It's a literal snapshot of that epoch in time. And I think that metaphor applies to all artists, right? So definitely painters and sketchers and fine artists, but also musicians. Definitely also musicians, right? Yeah. Some of the most powerful stuff that came out of America was jazz music. Why do you think that is? Jazz music
came from repression.
Exactly. Evolved from another genre. Usko bolte the bebop. I think.
Bebop. Yeah.
It evolved from bebop, and it was the music of the downtrodden and the disenfranchised, the black people, right? Minorities.
Sure.
The thing is, kya hota hai, because these things come from such powerful roots, right? It is in the best interest of certain people to amputate them from the roots, right? So, for instance, ripped jeans are a symbol of dissent, right? They are. Like, ripped jeans were supposed to be a counterculture to the culture of properly dressed gentlemen.
Yeah,
right?
It's like the rebel.
The rebels,
yeah,
exactly. The punks, right?
Sure.
The punks was an actual counterculture.
Yeah.
आपने उसको वहाँ से हटा दिया. फिर ripped jeans क्यों पहन रहे हो? You know what I mean?
Yo,
Yeah.
I went to this store.
Yeah.
I went with my friend and I was like, yo, I'm going to buy new jeans. And I got like these really nice fitting jeans. I was really happy. I didn't shop for myself a lot. I got these jeans. I got home. I put them on, and I was like, shit, ये तो फटी हुई हैं,
Yeah.
right? There's like a high street store.
Yeah.
Went back like the next day. I was like, yo, these jeans are torn.
Yeah.
And he thought I was saying that they're not torn enough.
Or
So he
partly.
opened the rest of them, and then I was like, oh, they're selling ripped jeans. And
Yeah.
I was like, fuck,
Yeah.
why am I shopping here?
What store is this?
Pull and Bear.
कहाँ पे है ये भाई?
Pull and Bear, मतलब कोई high street England में ही था.
अच्छा अच्छा.
It's like a Zara owned brand, I think.
All right,
Zara का जो conglomerate, it's like a Spanish company that just goes on forever. I don't remember the parent company's name, but
Yeah.
they own like a lot of these high street brands.
Yeah. But coming back to the art, right? So an article of clothing is art. Music, similarly, is art. And just for instance, I'll tell you this: Martin Luther King and Malcolm X को as polar opposites represent किया जाता है.
Say,
जैसे Malcolm X was absolutely a street fighting man and nothing more.
yeah.
Not an intellectual at all, right? And Martin Luther King was an absolute pacifist. Right?
अच्छा अच्छा, in that sense.
Yeah, you because आप क्या करते हो? आप हर चीज को palatable बना देते हो.
हाँ, okay. Extremes में it's easier to accept, right?
Yes,
कि ये extreme ये और ये extreme ये. Black and white.
And also the thing कि this is the nuances of these characters. right?
Sure.
So Martin Luther King wasn't just a pacifist. Yes, he was a preacher and a reverend and all those things, but he was also a revolutionary. Absolutely, right? And he सही है, Malcolm X से उसकी disagreements होती थी. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि he wasn't also a revolutionary. And similarly, Malcolm X was a fucking intellectual, right? You can't convince me otherwise, dude. You just can't do that, right?
Right.
But the thing is, for the majority of readers, they have convinced them.
Yeah.
Yeah, Malcolm X थोड़ा, वो जो नहीं थे, वो Nation of Islam था.
Yeah.
Do you know that the Nation of Islam और Malcolm X के बीच में बहुत बड़ा खतरनाक किस्म का rift हो गया था? No, you didn't know that. Did you know that Martin Luther King and Malcolm X were like the yin and yang? Like they fed off each other? No, you didn't know that, right? Because you're like, नहीं वो तो अलग and all those things. Everything is categorized and compartmentalized.
Coexistence.
Yeah, but it's not like that. And so back to what you were saying, artists need to respect themselves more, and they need to understand the intrinsic value of what they're doing.
Absolutely. Because otherwise you're doing yourself a disservice,
Yes.
right? You've lived your life, you've spent your time acquiring these skills, and if you don't give them the value, and just because you're like, मतलब age का तकाजा है कि मतलब आप young हो तो मैंने अभी शुरू किया, I don't deserve it. I follow a lot of like freelancers on Instagram, and it's always the same story where they're just sharing screenshots of, hey, have you sent the payment? Hey, have you sent the payment? It's like, dude, like at some point in my life, I was like, yo, 100% advance or nothing.
I have friends.
Because that's the only way I will get paid.
I have friends who own marketing agencies जो ये करते हैं कि भाई आप रेट तो जो है वो हम decide कर लेंगे लेकिन 100%
The
upfront.
freelancers have to do the same thing. They have to present themselves like a client has approached you, not because their reasons might be कि वो आपको दबा सकते हैं, and if that's the kind of client it is, then you don't want to work.
No,
with
you
them.
back off. Yeah.
Then
yeah.
you go find people that who are good to work with, who are आप पहली बात में आपको अंदाज़ा हो जाता है कि ये अच्छा बंदा है. This person is not out here to take advantage of me. Everyone doesn't have this intrinsically, so you protect yourself with your payment. That way you only have to trust the work that you do.
Yes.
So you very clearly define कि भाई मैं इतना काम करूँगा, इसमें these are my expectations. I expect to get paid maybe quarterly or like before the project is over, आपके लिए मैं ये करूँगा and आप मेरे लिए ये करोगे. However you want it to split it. But you have to protect yourself. If you have to take 100% payment for an advance, now the responsibility is on you to deliver the hell out of that work. Because if you don't, it's your reputation that
Yes.
gets
Yes.
affected.
Yes.
So you have to take care of yourself and you have to own up. You have to take pride in your work. You can't second guess yourself. You can't live in that like imposter syndrome कि नहीं मैं असली artist तो नहीं हूँ. You know?
Yeah.
मेरे पास art degree नहीं है. That was me. Again, I'm speaking from experience, not a generalization. I was like, I'm not an artist. Yo, anyone who's met me is like, yo, you're an artist, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Some creative type, artistic type, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, nahi, not really. But that is where I flourish. That's where I thrive. And like, I like to come up with like solutions to problems, creatively think my way out of problems.
Sure.
And figure out a creative solution for your problem. That's what consultancy work basically is.
Yeah, yeah.
कोई फंसा हुआ है, उनको unfus कैसे करें?
Get them unstuck.
Get them unstuck, get them out of it. That's like where that's your role as a consultant, whether it's a creative consultant or a consultant to a big bank or whatever.
Sure.
Problems are the same. The place where you exist in is different.
Sure.
अच्छा मैं एक plug कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ, please.
अच्छा, this is probably going to release around the end of Feb.
Okay. What, this? Yeah, the podcast? Yeah,
Yeah.
inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah. So Towers is releasing a new song.
Okay.
It's called Seedhi Baat.
Seedhi baat.
Seedhi Baat.
Seedhi baat.
If this is around the end of Feb, go check out the Towers TV page.
Soul pop. No,
Tell us, we have a music video for it.
So,
And
no,
like a
check it
proper
out
music
anyways. No,
video.
check it out anyways. Yeah.
No, we're releasing it at the end of Feb.
Okay. But page तो फिर भी देख सकते हैं ना.
हाँ. Go like our old song and tell us
Yeah.
what you think and
Yeah, check
like,
it out.
share, subscribe, Qazi's podcast.
Yeah.
Yo,
Hey,
I actually went down like the rabbit hole of your podcasts like a few days ago, and I went through a bunch of them.
Yeah.
They're fun, dude.
Alhamdulillah, bro. Alhamdulillah. I'm just trying
A
it.
lot of the people are just like, I did notice that like, the first 10, 15 minutes in some of them,
Yeah.
people are a little like shoulders up.
Yeah.
And then at the end of it, they're like,
They're like, yaar, scene hai
this
kya?
is good. This is good. This is easy. No one's... Because I think what you do is you present a non-judgmental sort of space.
Yeah, देखो I even before we started, na, I was like, the only thing that I'm judging you on is the merits of the argument.
Okay.
Right.
So
Like-
that's how you view your podcast.
That's
or the
that-
conversations
Yeah,
that you have.
that's how I would hope that I conduct them. कि if you're making a claim, na, मैं आपकी shirt, आपके चश्मे, आपके pants, who you are, Pathan, Muhajir, Sindhi,
Yeah.
none of that. It shouldn't matter, and it doesn't matter to me, right? Where you're from, what your experiences have been, I don't care. Like what you're saying right now, do you think you can quantify it? That's what I'm saying, right? So DHA people killing the dogs is wrong. Can you quantify that? That's all I care about. That's it, right? And I don't even care कि आप जो है मुझे empirical evidence. No, not that. But you have an argument, right? There's an argument for this. जानदार चीज़ है. सही ना, अल्लाह मियाँ ने बनाया है. उसको तकलीफ होती है. तकलीफ आप देते हो किसी को तो गलत होता है. By all moral standards, whether they be religious or non-religious, गलत होता है. और आप ये कर रहे हो तो ये गलत है. That's an argument. That's it, right? My thing is like just quantify your claims. उसके अलावा, yeah, dude, come talk shit. Like I don't care. I don't judge. And I honestly have been blessed with the kind of guests I've had. Alhamdulillah. Up to this one, Alhamdulillah, Allah ka karam mein.
Up to this one? What do you mean?
मतलब अभी ये वाली-
अच्छा. अब तक सही है.
Including अब तक सही है, Alhamdulillah. This is the latest one, ना? आगे भी the hope is always there कि it should provide some kind of value to people.
Inshallah. I think it will because that's the thing with conversations. When you open up conversations and you talk about difficult things, maybe it'll click. Maybe a small sentence will click for somebody.
Yeah.
And if you can add to their knowledge base, because everyone is in the pursuit of knowledge.
Sure,
also,
of course, yeah.
and
yeah.
you're like dropping your like philosophy all over the place. Yo,
So
your library that you like access
No, dude.
and then take those things
No,
out of is impressive.
My memory's fucked, dude.
क्या रट्टा लगाया था क्या?
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, I've lost 80% of what I learned, dude. Like I'd studied all these contemporary philosophers on religion, on all these things, on
damn.
Islam in particular. और वो अब पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. They're just gone. But I will also say this कि बहुत सारे लोग ना, there's great pressure on me to be like कि यार they tell me कि यार आप जो है ना एक format बना दो and आप फिर ना topics डाल दो ताकि हम pick and choose कर ले हमें कौन सा सुनना है. That is something I have been opposing for the longest time, and I
Yeah.
think I will continue to oppose that, inshallah, because
Say,
the
yeah.
point is to have people listen to these conversations. Well, we can't watch the video. Don't watch the video. It's on all audio as well, inshallah.
Sure,
Always
sure.
will be Allah के हुक्म से. तो आप सुन लो.
सुन लो.
But just don't be in such a rush. You're not rushing anywhere.
Yeah.
None of us is getting out of here alive. Do you know what I mean? Like we're all eventually we're gone, right? And don't think that you don't have the time. Just sit and listen. Let this play in the background,
Sure.
right?
Yeah.
Let this play in the background, but just consume the information, and I hope it creates value. That's it.
I hope so too.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, Changiz, we could go on if you want, लेकिन अब मेरी टांगे वांगे जो है ना,
हाँ, मैंने तो बीच में mid break में squats वगैरह
yeah,
कर लिए
squats भी
थे.
लगाए थे हमने. But this has been wonderful.
Thank
Right.
you for having me,
Dude,
Ghazi.
no, thank you
It's
for
been
coming
an
back.
absolute pleasure. And
fantastic.
I would love to live a little bit more, experience more
Allah
things, and then
ne-
come back and talk about that as well.
Always welcome, dude. Like, come back tomorrow if you want. This was great fun. One final time, plug your Instagram,
Yeah.
the Towers Instagram, and the
Sure.
YouTube. If you have YouTube,
Yeah, so we have, I'm Changiz Basir on Instagram. I have, my friends and I have a band called Towers TV on Instagram, so it's towers.tv. Our YouTube page is also called towers.tv. And we have one single out already. It's called Filhal. Go listen to it. It's the best soul hop you've ever heard.
Yeah,
Maybe
soul
the only
hop.
soul hop anyone's ever heard.
yeah.
And
That.
by the time this drops, hopefully we'll have Siddhi Baat out as well.
Inshallah.
And let us know what you think.
That's it. That's it, guys. Changiz, Ghazi. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
My guy.
assalam.